What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NILE ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, when we had the first bounce from the golden pocket range. And this range was mentioned by me when I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see right here. And the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And I've told you that if you want to catch the next potential leg to the upside, you can accumulate your position right here. But your stop loss should be very tight, slightly below this previous bottom, and it is not more than 3.5%. And eventually we broke this to the downside, and technically we hit our stop loss order, but this 3% is near to nothing compared to the entire movement to the downside. From this range, this asset lost to its lowest point about 32%, and for now it has a slight bounce to the range of roughly 22% of potential losses. Definitely this stop loss save your money, and I have to say that technical analysis is the very powerful tool if you can use it properly. So, and let's continue with the recent news. What was the reason of this decline? I have to say that this asset was very popular among the stock tweets community and Wall Street Bets community, but for now we don't have this asset on the trending section. We have this asset on the 5th place on most active section. And we don't have this ticker symbol on the watchers section. This means this asset is losing its momentum and slightly losing its support from stock tweets community. And on appwisdom.io, this ticker symbol is on the 13th place, and it also lost about 3 rows during last 24 hours. And as you can see, the momentum is diminishing, but for now it has some kind of plateau. And that is why we have to be cautious, but in my opinion, at least technical bounce is ahead of us. So let me show you what you should pay your attention to. Right here on Republic Online website, you can find that the most recent movement to the upside was due to its announcement that they have invested roughly $127 million into data centers and Bitcoin miners. And let me quote you this: "We are on schedule with our delivery of Bitcoin miners and the build out of our data center. Given our recent payoff of debt and improvement in our financial condition, we anticipate our efforts to continue smoothly, including the funding of our additional investment in Bitcoin miners and data center infrastructure." As a part of previous agreement, the company had a purchase agreement to buy roughly 20,600 miners from Bitmain. So with the price of Bitcoin continuing to move in the past few weeks, it's clear that NILE is making a big moves right now. So, and definitely one of the catalysts of this asset is Bitcoin price action, and let me quote you 3 other catalysts. First of all, as I already mentioned, they paid off their secured debt, and it was about $66 million. Next one is the turn on green, and this company is a subsidiary of BitNile, and the shareholders of BitNile will receive a dividend securities of turn on green company. And next one, as already mentioned, it is the retail community, and the last one is Bitcoin price action. And for now I have to say that Bitcoin is not so strong. Let me show you right here. Bitcoin is in downtrend, and definitely because of this we might see the lower price action for BitNile as well. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned on one of my previous video, we hit the range of resistance, and technically we had profits of roughly 35% from my recent call, and it was right here at roughly 81 cents price point. And the $1.09 price point was our target price because it is the confluence range in between this previous resistance. And it was the 0.786 Fibonacci extension range from the first wave compared to the second one. And next one, it is the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. Let me zoom out a little bit and let me show you what is this level about. To daily time frame. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing low right here on September the 9th, 2021 till the lowest point right here, we have the range of about $1.09 as our first range of resistance that might act as a real resistance for this price action. And what should we expect next? I have to say that this movement to the upside is invalidated as our motive wave because we cannot have a retracement that is deeper than the initial wave, and we had this bounce to the upside, but eventually we broke this previous bottom. This means we cannot have this as our first wave, second and third. Instead of this, most likely we have these movements as our ABC correction. And I have to say that if the A wave consists of 5-wave structure in it, it is absolutely the same as we might have our first wave, second and third. Definitely we cannot have any more waves above this top, and that's why we cannot have the 5-wave structure. And this means if it is the case, if we have this as our retracement, we should break this previous bottom. And the second possibility is that we might have this range of roughly 52 cents or maybe 50 cents as our psychological number. And we might have the bounce to the upside if we will see a huge support from retail community based on fundamentals of this company. That is why, in my opinion, you have to be very cautious. But I have to say that for now, we have decent chances to have a bounce. And this bounce definitely might be from this range that we already have, because from this bottom we have decent volume, and we already have about 12% bounce to the upside. But most likely we might hit the range of roughly 52 cents right here, 50 or 52 cents, and from this range, from double bottom pattern, we might have a bounce. And this bounce might also be quite massive. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to the bottom, and with the assumption that we will have a double bottom pattern, definitely we might hit the ranges in between 0.236 and 0.382. And in this case, if it will be the bottom, and you have to be very cautious about this movement, we might have from 27% all the way up to 44% of potential profits. And on top of that, if you want to invest in this asset, just do your own due diligence. And if you know all the pros and all the cons related to this asset, just accumulate your position on every daily red candle. Because technically, this asset is trending at very low ranges, very low prices. And this means most likely we might see next movement to the upside that will bring you a lot of profits. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay